Hi everyone. In this video and the next two videos, we are going to discuss about few concepts related to quality, such as cost of quality, quality control, quality assurance, quality management, and total quality management. Here we are discussing the cost of quality. What is meant by quality product? We know that a quality product is one which does what it is designed to do, or a product which does what it is expected to do. This means the product is fit for purpose. We also know that a quality product is one which matches the standards or features or performances described in the user specifications. This means the product conforms to specifications. So for a buyer, a right quality product is one which is fit for purpose and conform to specifications. Now let's discuss cost of quality. The cost of quality can be defined as the cost of good quality and the cost of poor quality. In other words, the cost of quality can be defined as the cost of ensuring and assuring quality and the loss incurred when the quality is not achieved. So the quality related costs include the cost of appraisal and prevention activities and the cost of quality failures. The cost of failure is divided into the cost of internal failures and the cost of external failures. First, let us see the two costs under cost of good quality, or the two costs under cost of ensuring and assuring quality. That is prevention cost and appraisal cost. Prevention costs. These are the costs incurred to prevent or minimize defects or failures. These are the cost of all activities that are designed to prevent poor quality from arising. Some examples are cost of building quality into design, cost of quality improvement projects, cost of quality education and training, cost of running quality problem solving groups, that is quality circles. Appraisal cost. These are the costs incurred as part of the inspection process to make sure incoming materials and outgoing finished products are of the expected quality. That is, the cost of testing and inspections to confirm quality requirements are met. Examples are cost for checking and testing purchased goods and services, cost of quality audits, cost for field testing. By looking at the two costs, we can say prevention costs are the cost incurred in order to minimize appraisal cost. One might argue that these costs are high and it will be more cost effective to spend less on such prevention activities and simply deal with few defects now and then. Is this so? The answer is no, because the cost of quality failure can be very high. Even in recent times, we have seen big firms facing crisis due to quality failures. So we have to understand that there is always scope for improvement, and the cost of getting it wrong is much bigger than cost of getting it right. Now let us see the two costs under the cost of poor quality, or the two sessions under loss incurred when the quality is not achieved. Cost of failure, that is internal failure costs and external failure costs. Internal failure costs. These are the costs arising from quality failures where the problem is identified and corrected before the product reaches the customer. Problems are caused by defects in input products or by inefficiencies in the process. Here, before the product is delivered to the end user, the non-conformance to requirement is identified and corrective actions are taken. Hence, the customer dissatisfaction from receiving a faulty product can be avoided. But still, there are chances of dissatisfaction due to delayed delivery. Some examples are cost of scrapping, cost of reworking, cost of delays, cost of failure analysis. External failure costs. These are the costs arising from quality failures where the problem is identified and corrected after the product reaches the customer. This can cause customer dissatisfaction and sometimes losing of loyal customers. So we can easily understand that the cost of external failures need to be avoided or reduced to the minimum. Some examples are cost of customer claims for compensation, cost of repairing or replacing, cost of reputational damage, cost of lost customer. So we discussed the four main categories of cost of quality. We learned that there are costs related to assuring or maintaining quality. Still, cost of getting it wrong is much bigger than the cost of getting it right. Hence, efforts are made to assure quality. These days, there is an increased emphasis on getting it right first time through quality management. In the next two videos, we will discuss few more concepts related to quality. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.